Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your Apple CarPlay in your 2017 Chevy Colorado. So, in order to access this feature, first we must get a USB charger for your iPhone. And once we do that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect it to the USB port right there in front of the shifter. And once you do that, connect it to your phone and give it a couple seconds. And it should change the projection button right there to Apple CarPlay. And once you do, just click on it and you will be on the Apple CarPlay mode. And if you want to access all your apps just like that, you could just scroll over, see all your phone, music, maps, messages. And you could also download some apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay, such as CNBC, Google Maps, WhatsApp, Waze, Spotify. Really love Spotify, and NBA, or some other sports if you would like. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the quick overview on how to access your Apple CarPlay. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.